This is the DJI Mavic Air 2, completely new design by the old version of DJI Mavic Air 1. This is actually the model like the DJI 2 Pro, but slightly better I think than Mavic 2 Pro. So this is lighter than Mavic Air 2 than 40%. They changed the controller 100%. In the older version you would need to put the mobile down, but in new version you would put your mobile on the top of your controller. They have changed the design completely, and this DJI Mavic Air 2 has half-inch sensor, 48 megapixel. Are you kidding me? So this is gonna be one of the most better drone camera for aerial photographer, and it has 34 minutes of flight time. The older version was 21 minutes of flight time, but this one has 34 minutes of flight time. So what is best in this new design, the DJI Mavic Air 2? Today we gonna reveal all the things, all the cons and pros of the DJI Mavic Air. So let's begin and watch this video, and you would must know what is DJI Mavic Air 2 looks like. Let's go. So welcome back to my YouTube channel guys, and welcome back to a new fresh video. As you guys saw the video in the first, this is my friend Mr. Ma, and he's a new businessman. How do you feel now? Feel good?
I feel excited, you know.
That's good, because guys, he bought the new drone. So yesterday he told me I bought a new drone, so I decided to come out to his office. This is his office, and he bought the new DJI Mavic 2. So as you guys know, DJI has announced the new brand fresh drone. This bad boy is DJI Mavic 2. So I was so excited, as my friend was excited. Are you excited too?
Yeah, of course I'm excited.
Yeah, so he charged everything, and we have unboxed the drone. So the drone by itself you guys can see. So let me tell you about the upgrades in the DJI first. The DJI 2 is 1.2 sensor, and it is 48 megapixel. It's 48 megapixel.
Yeah, it's
right?
48. It's 48.
Yeah. So another good thing in DJI Mavic 2 is the battery timing is 34 minutes. So DJI first was like 21 minutes. I think we should, yeah, it's downloading. Yeah, okay.
It's downloading.
So DJI first was the 21 minutes, but it was probably flying like 18 minutes, but DJI 2 is 34 minutes. I think it's very long time. 32,
yes,
34
yes,
minutes.
Can
Yeah,
work about 34.
Yeah.
34 minutes.
See the bad boy is like a shark fish, right? Yeah, they has two sensor in the front.
It's like a flight.
Yeah, two sensor in the back. So they have no sensor in the side, right? It's like DJI Mavic 1, so they don't have the side sensors. The another good thing is in the DJI Mavic 2 is the tracking system. The tracking system of the DJI Mavic 2 is very fast and very clean. Like it can like follow you with any obstacle, and they would safely follow you. This great thing in DJI Mavic 2. The another great thing is in the DJI Mavic 2, I think, is like the DJI 1 was the Wi-Fi, so it was working with Wi-Fi through the controller, but DJI 2 is the radio signal, so it can fly 10 kilometer. Yeah, it can fly 10 kilometer, but the DJI 1 was just 4 kilometer.
4 kilometers?
Yeah,
so it means this may be very easy to dose my machines, right?
But this is very safe.
It's very safe?
DJI one was 4 kilometer.
Oh, 4 kilometers.
This is 10 kilometer. Yeah. So this is very safe, you can fly very safely, and this is not heavy, right? It's not heavy.
Yes, not
As we compare to, I have the Mavic 1 as well, so we will compare Mavic 1 with Mavic Air 2 as well. But this time I'm just giving you the review of the DJI Mavic 2.
$900.
So in China it costs like 4,999 RMB. So you can equal to with the US dollars like 700 US dollars. So the product's made in China, so that's why maybe it would be a little bit. I think it's no difference from China in the international selling, but the product by itself is very fresh, very nice, and looks like very handy. I love this product. You know, I love the color of this.
Yeah, it's like the gray, space gray.
Or space gray, and it should be in the space, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So DJI Mavic Air is very amazing. Guys, look at the sensor. It's 1.2 sensor. I think it's very should be very wide. So guys, right now we will go outside and we'll fly the DJI Mavic 2. So we will see how it flies, and I hope the footage would become very nice. So the very good thing in DJI Mavic 2 is it is very good for the aerial photographer, because 48 megapixel is not small deal. Another thing is that this can bring very beautiful footage. So today weather is a little bit rainy, a little bit windy as well, but we will try. It's good for check the drone, and I think the noise is very good. You know, the DJI Mavic 1 is very noise, you know.
Yeah.
But this is very silent drone, so this is amazing, guys. So stay with us. We will go outside to check the DJI Mavic 2 and the review with the DJI Mavic 1 comparison as well. So stay with us, guys. So guys, we reached to the spot where we would fly the DJI brand new Mavic 2. This place is very amazing, but weather is very windy and a little bit rainy, is a little bit risky. But my friend, he is just preparing his drone right now here. So this is his first time to fly the drone, and I will also teach him and teach you guys how to fly your drone, because I'm using since last 2 years. Yeah.